Ever wondered about the health benefits of Pleurotus ostreatus, commonly known as the oyster mushroom? This versatile fungus is not only a culinary delight, but also a medicinal marvel, celebrated in both kitchens and health circles worldwide. Stick around to discover the incredible health benefits of this versatile fungus. You might ask, what makes Pleurotus ostreatus so special? Well, this mushroom is a powerhouse of health benefits. It's known for its immune-boosting properties, fortifying your body's defenses against illness. It also shows promise in cancer prevention and support, offering a natural ally in the fight against this disease. Plus, it fosters gut health, nurturing a balanced and healthy digestive system. And let's not forget its anti-inflammatory effects, which can help soothe and heal various conditions. With such an array of health benefits, it's no wonder Pleurotus ostreatus is a favorite among health enthusiasts. Now that we've explored the benefits, how can you include Pleurotus ostreatus in your diet, and how should you store it? Pleurotus ostreatus, commonly known as the oyster mushroom, can be a delightful addition to your meals. It can be sautéed, grilled, or added to soups and salads. When selecting, look for firm, moist caps and avoid those with dark spots. To store, place them in a paper bag in your refrigerator, where they can keep for up to a week. With these tips, you can easily integrate Pleurotus ostreatus into your diet and reap its health benefits. To recap our journey into the world of Pleurotus ostreatus, we've uncovered its immense health benefits, from boosting immunity to preventing cancer. We've also learned how to select, store, and incorporate this wonder fungus into our diets. Next time you come across Pleurotus ostreatus, remember its incredible health benefits and consider adding it to your menu.